The following segment is sponsored by Kannarr Eye Care.
It's so great to be back at Kannarr Eye Care in Pittsburgh, Kansas, one of 3 locations they have in Southeast Kansas, and Kannarr Eye Care is the winner of 2 of our 4 States Finest Awards, and here with me to accept those awards is one of the doctors they have on staff, Dr. Shane Kannarr. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. And on behalf of Doctors Jackmano, Painter, and Marsh, we all want to thank everybody in the 4 states for these awards. They mean a lot to us.
Yeah, you guys do great work here in the 4 states, and that work just continues to get better and better. And I understand there's a couple of very exciting products that you have available now.
There are 2 great products that are filling big roles in our practice. The first, and really what has me so excited, is an eye drop to help return that ability to read. So we're all eventually going to lose that ability to change focus as we hit our 40s. And we've always used reading glasses and bifocals before. Now Vuity, a new product, the first and only pharmaceutical way to treat presbyopia, has been approved by the FDA. It's an eye drop that restores that vision to read for patients, and it works tremendously.
As somebody who's pushing 40 myself, that's very good to know. Another one, I understand you have something out there that's going to help with headaches and things like that.
NeuroLens really comes out of that neurology space, but it helps patients with both migraines and also that kind of computer vision syndrome where you have that neck and shoulder ache, that constant brow ache. It's a product that's really, we've had about 2 months now. The patient feedback has been tremendous in reducing either the frequency or severity of those headaches. It's really changed a lot of people's lives.
Okay, that's awesome news, Dr. Kannarr. If anybody's listening who wants to know more about that or to just touch base with you, what's the best way of doing that?
Call any of our 3 offices. We would love to see you and talk to you more about the ways these devices, products, or any other products may be a benefit to you.
Okay, Dr. Kannarr, congratulations again.
Thank you.
The preceding segment was sponsored by Kannarr Eye Care.